Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and this is a video tutorial on how to use our market flow V8 trading system to find buy trades. Let me just show you guys what we're going to do. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to look at our market scanner here on the left hand side, and then we're going to select a market in a buy signal that's giving us a buy signal. So if you look at these blocks right here, these green blocks right here, these are all the potential buy signals. Okay, so the first step is to go to the chart. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on volatility 50 right there, and then boom, it's right on the chart. It appears. Then now the second thing that we need to see, guys, now we need to get an entry confirmation. Okay, so remember, we got our buy signal from this market scanner. Now we need an entry confirmation. Okay, so how do we get an entry confirmation? We look at our confirmation indicators, right? So the first thing that you want to notice about a buy signal is that the price, right, the price must be above this island right here. Okay, so if the price is above this island, it means that we are in a bullish market. Okay, which means that we can get into a buy trade, right? That's the first thing. The second thing is you want to see an arrow pointing up, like what we see right now. So this arrow is pointing up, telling us that this market is still going up. So that's a plus. So once the price is above the island and there's an arrow, then we can actually take the trade, right? And then I know a lot of you now are wondering, where do we put our stop loss and where do we put our take profit? Okay, let's start with the stop loss. So the stop loss, we're going to use this line right here. You see this line right here, this moving average? This is where we're going to put our stop loss. So this is our stop loss line. So we're going to just drag our stop loss to this level right there. And then that's where we're going to place our stop loss. And then where do we place our take profit? Our take profit is going to be toward the next resistance level. So right there, we can either put it here or you can put it toward that next level right there. So I'm just going to allow it to go up there. And then just like that, guys, we have a trade on our hands. Very, very easy.